Hi folks, my name is Aaron, and this is a short video about this audio manager system using Unity's native audio and C#. Unity's native audio is a bit bare bones, so I wanted to work on something that could offer some more flexibility and depth. I also wanted to showcase kind of where I'm at with coding competency and my approach to problem solving and organizing systems. I think it also just helps to show a couple more ways I can serve to help out on a smaller indie or AA sound team. A quick thing about audio cues, I wanted to structure this system to work similar to how Fmod events hold all of the necessary data for a specific audio event, like volume, parameters, layers, and random containers, but these cues are not set up to be proper events in the coding pattern sense, so I opted to call them cues for the sake of clarity. The whole system is really made up of about 4 pieces that all function together. We have our main audio manager class that's a singleton that handles all of our major functions for playing audio and setting up our audio cues. It also keeps a list of all of our active audio cues. An audio cue manager that keeps all of our cues in a scene organized and in one place so they're not strewn all over the project. An audio object pool that keeps performance in check so we're not instantiating and destroying a bunch of objects every time we create an audio cue instance. The pooled audio object is just an empty game object with an audio source attached to it and a custom audio script as well. And our audio cue scriptable objects, which holds all of the data for each audio cue. The system offers a little bit more flexibility and freedom than Unity's initial native audio choices, and audio cues have these features to help with quick implementation and idea sketching. We can see how these features work by setting up a simple ambience cue. I've been playing a lot of Animal Will by Billy Basso lately, and I thought it'd be fun to recreate some of those ambiences for this project. I've set up a simple granular patch in Phase Plant using bird calls to generate backgrounds and one-shots that we can layer together for this cue. I'm going to make a new scriptable object audio cue and call it Ambience Preview Well. I'm going to add our main background ambience clip that I made in Phase Plant into the audio cue, and then add 2 additional clips into the layers section. I've also got a button here in the custom inspector window that lets me preview cues in editor mode, which is really handy for iterating on cues quickly. I want to make sure that we've got some variety happening in this background, so next I'm going to add a random container layer. This lets the cue pick from a list of clips and plays one at random at a given interval, which I'll set to 5 seconds. I'll add a bit more variation to this by randomizing the panning, volume, and pitch of these cues. Now that I've got the cue set up to a place that I think sounds good, I'll add it to our audio cue manager as the level 1 ambience cue. The audio manager can now call this cue when we start the level with a simple function that's called inStart. I think this is a pretty fun and quick little exercise to demonstrate how this system works. There are a lot of other features that can be added pretty easily, and I'm really excited with how scalable the system feels to me. I hope folks enjoyed this little demo, or at the very least found it entertaining. I think we can close out by just enjoying the atmosphere and saying thanks for watching.